Welcome to 350 6th Avenue in Half Moon Bay. In the sought-after East Miramar neighborhood, this sun-filled home captures panoramic views from the west to the east. You have Pillar Point Harbor, the Pacific Ocean, and rolling pasture lands with views of Quarry Park. Let's take a look. From sunrise to sunset, expansive windows frame an ever-changing coastal landscape. The reverse floor plan places the main living spaces upstairs, where vaulted open beam wood ceilings and wide sight lines bring the views to life. From here you can watch sailboats returning to the harbor and evening lights shimmering across the water after dark. Just off the kitchen and dining area, a spacious second-story deck opens to a peaceful, natural setting. Below, a small pond attracts coastal birds, while the hillsides host grazing cows, creating a serene, ever-changing view that's calming and quietly captivating. It's the kind of place where mornings begin with coffee in the sun and evenings wind down with a glass of wine, watching the landscape settle into golden evening light. This home has been meticulously maintained, and it shows in the quality of craftsmanship throughout. From beautiful open beam wood ceilings and warm wood floors to thoughtfully updated kitchen and bathrooms designed for both comfort and style. Downstairs, the bedroom level offers a cool and restful retreat. The primary suite enjoys ocean breezes and the distant rhythm of waves at night, while the custom bath features radiant heated floors and beautifully detailed finishes. Thoughtful upgrades include custom bird-safe glass and 4 parking spaces, offering flexibility for guests, a boat, or recreational vehicles. East Miramar offers a rare balance of peaceful coastal living and everyday convenience. Quarry Park trails, the Coastal Trail, Miramar Beach, Surfers Beach, and the restaurants and harbor life of Pillar Point are all just minutes away. Downtown Half Moon Bay is a short drive with convenient commuter access to both San Francisco and the peninsula. Natural light, views, space, and location. This is coastal living without compromise. I'm Stephanie Sills with Palermo Properties team at Compass. Please contact me for details about this stunning home.